There's a ton of really cool features that come along with iOS 14. We got our app drawer, we've got widgets on the home screen, and a ton of other really cool things. But one of my favorites is probably the default apps. Now you can finally add default mail and browsing apps on iOS 14. Not every single app right away is going to support it. It's a matter of getting approval from Apple for your app to support that functionality. In this video, I want to show you how you can set your default iOS 14 browser app right now. So right now, Chrome does support default browsing apps on iOS 14. So make sure you downloaded Chrome and you're on the latest version. First of all, let me show you what happens if we don't do anything. We have a link, we click it, it takes you to Safari. Now let's go ahead and see how to add that. So to set your default browsing app, you go to Settings, and we will scroll down to our desired app we want to select. So we're going to find Chrome in this list. We'll click Chrome. If it supports it, it's going to say default browsing app and it will show the current option. Right now that's set to Safari. If we click that, we can change it to Chrome, and that's it. Now if we go back and open up that link again, it's going to ask if Message can open Chrome. We'll say yes. And there you go, Messages opened Chrome. Apps need to verify to make sure that they can access that browser app the first time it uses it. But if we go back to Messages, click it again, it's going to open Chrome and it's not going to ask us every single time. So that's one good thing. It doesn't have to ask you every single time. Right now, not a lot of apps support this functionality, but more will very soon. The process of setting your default email client is going to be exactly the same. You find the app you want and you change it to that way. Unfortunately, we can't change things like a default music app or a default maps app, but hopefully that will come soon once Apple does see the response from customers with this. So there you go. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and it's a really cool feature. So if you like this video, leave a like and let me know what else you want to see on iOS 14. That's going to be for this video. Thank you for watching. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.